Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success. Now, I've been missing in action for a while. I had a few little health challenges. So today I'm going to give you a double whammy. Last week, I wrote an article about what are the keys to happiness today. Now, in the article, I mentioned really that happiness can only truly be determined by yourself. It is a subjective topic. However, there are two fundamental components that I guess sit at the base of happiness, which we can all take a little bit of into our life. Now, those two things are pleasurable moments and increasing the meaning that we have in our life. So pleasurable moments, think about what you love to do. Might be going to the beach and catching waves, catching up with friends, playing with your kids, having fun with a few other people, doing your exercise or your sport, going to the movies. So those are all things that are pretty easy to sprinkle in. Now, the other one is where you've got a huge range of possibilities, and that is meaning. Human beings are meaning-making creatures, and we determine everything that's going on about life because we put a meaning on it. So we can choose the meaning that we put on every event. So I guess that's the one really big gold nugget that you have for increasing your happiness. But I was just relating this at my workshop that I ran a couple of weeks ago. When I asked people what were their biggest challenges in their life, nearly everybody said it was productivity. It was how to get things done and avoid distractions. And ultimately, this lack of productivity was eroding people's sense of well-being and happiness. Hi, Sarah, great to have you there. So I guess the thing for that is if you can increase your productivity, then you will actually be able to increase how you feel and probably your happiness. You will get more meaning and you will probably be adding more pleasure, because when you get things done, you usually have a sense of achievement and you feel good. So here are 3 quick tips today to help you increase your productivity. And I'm putting together a daily focus sheet that I've been testing in my life to see if I can increase and improve what I get done, get a laser-like focus and see exactly how it impacts on my results. And I know that by using this, I have a much better sense of achievement. I'm getting more done, and overall, I'm just feeling, yay, feeling great. So I'll be sharing that in a few weeks. But in the meantime, if you take a moment at the beginning of your day to plan, but if you use your planning as in actually scheduling in some of your key tasks that you'll be doing, write down what you'll be doing and then write how you will achieve it. Sometimes we write things down, but we know we're never going to do it. So when you write down how you're going to make it happen, you're actually uncovering some of your potential saboteurs that might pull you off. Schedule it in your diary and then make sure when you do that task, you spend a moment moving all your distractions, setting an intention, and time yourself. Give yourself a specific amount of time to do the task. That way, the energy of the mind, which is attention, means you'll be putting more energy and attention on what you're doing. And where our attention goes, energy flows. So it will help you keep on task that little bit more. When your timer goes, stop for a moment and actually log what you've done. Tick off that you've completed that task. Even if you still have more work to do, by putting a little tick, you will feel as if you've achieved something. Your brain will send you a shot of serotonin, which means you will feel a little bit better, maybe happier. So it will give you more pleasure. And at the end of the day, if you review what you've done and you acknowledge your successes, you're choosing to put a more positive meaning on your day rather than looking at everything that you haven't done, which most people do. And then spend that moment at the end of the day basking in the glory of your small successes or your big wins. And that will allow you to increase the meaning that you have in your day. So it's the small steps, the small incremental things that you can do that all add up in the long term to great success and ultimately increasing your level of happiness. I'll put a link to my article in this video as well, and I'd love to hear from you as to what you do to help stay on track and increase your productivity. So have a great day. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success with your daily Mindset Matters. And if you have a topic you would like me to talk about or bring up, let me know, and I would love to share some information about it. Bye.